Union, New Jersey is an ideal place to call home if you are looking for a suburban lifestyle with easy access to both New York City and the rest of New Jersey. Whether you need to commute to work or just want to explore the area, there are several options available. Continue watching to learn more about all of your commuting and travel possibilities. Hi, my name is Camille Haynes, and I'm a local real estate agent in the Union County, New Jersey area. Union, New Jersey is a great place to live and visit. It's close enough to New York City so that you can easily access the amenities of a big city while still being able to enjoy the peace and quiet of suburbia. But what are your transportation options for getting around town or into New York City? Let's explore the different ways you can get from Union to various parts of New Jersey and New York City. New Jersey Transit, which is the public mass transit system in New Jersey, offers bus and rail service throughout the state, making it easy to get around with ease. Union has a train station stop in town adjacent to the Kean University campus. From the Union Station, you can take the train straight into Newark Penn Station and New York Penn Station in Midtown Manhattan, or to various local stops on the Raritan Valley Line. The Raritan Valley Line runs through Union on its way to Newark Penn Station with connections to other trains that can take riders all over New Jersey. If you need to commute to Lower Manhattan, you can transfer to the PATH train at Newark Penn Station to get to the World Trade Center site and points below 33rd Street in Manhattan. The approximate commuting time to Newark Penn Station is 15 minutes and New York Penn Station is 40 minutes, but times can vary depending on the time of day. Also, this train has a limited schedule on the weekends and major holidays. If you need to park at the train station, parking is not free. You can either purchase daily or monthly passes and make sure to pay attention to park at the correct designated parking spaces at the parking lot. For current schedule and ticket prices, make sure to visit njtransit.com. For those who don't mind a longer ride, there are also several bus routes that depart from Union and go directly into New York City. The 113, 114, and 117 buses picks up at various points in Union, and all lines have a final destination of Port Authority in New York City. In addition to taking the train to New York City, New Jersey Transit also provides local bus routes that serve the public. The 52 bus route runs from Irvington Bus Terminal to Elizabeth Train Station with stops in Union. The 66 runs from Newark Penn Station to Union County College in Cranford, and limited buses going as far as Bridgewater Commons Mall. And the 94 bus has various stops from Linden to Bloomfield Center. If you prefer driving your own car rather than taking public transit, there are several highways, which makes it easy to get around town quickly or to travel out of town. Routes 22, 78, and the Garden State Parkway are all accessible from Union. Route 22 will take passengers east towards Hillside or even further out towards Plainfield and Scotch Plains. Route 78 will take passengers west past Somerville up towards Phillipsburg. The Garden State Parkway is a toll road and it's useful for traveling south towards Atlantic City and the Jersey Shore, or north towards Passaic County and other counties, depending on where your final destination may be. If you need to get to another part of the country or the world, Newark Liberty International Airport is approximately 15 minutes from Union. Whether you're interested in visiting or buying a home in Union, understanding the commuting options available makes it easier for visitors and prospective buyers alike when deciding how best to navigate the area. With so many transportation options, from buses to rail lines to highways, Union provides easy access points from both within New Jersey itself, as well as direct routes into New York City without having to drive too far away from home. As always, plan ahead by researching schedules online so you don't miss your stop. And there you have it, just a little bit of information about commuting in Union, New Jersey. Make sure you stay tuned to my YouTube channel so you get more videos about Union and other surrounding communities. Again, my name is Camille, and I'm here to make sure that your home journey is a successful one. Take care.